Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful first start to 2021. As you guys can see, this is a one size drop. Are you guys excited? Me too. So with that being said, I present to you all Secure the Blur. In a bottle. This is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. If you guys have been following me for a long time, I have been obsessed with improving my texture over time. As a man in makeup, I wasn't born flawless. So I had to rely on Facetune and Photoshop to kind of get to where I needed to be. But this is Facetune and Photoshop in a bottle. You guys know, all the kids out there, we are all obsessed with face tuning, waist tuning, all the above, but girl, you got it right here. This is literally it. This primer, I am literally obsessed with. I have been using it for so long. That was the inspiration. Texture and improving texture was my inspiration for Secure the Blur. And like in the name, that's exactly what it does. When you apply it, it blurs and snatches your pores. It hydrates and controls oil at the same time. And it allows your beat face to last all freaking day. And that's on purr. Oh, but also it's one size because it's translucent, okay? And also this retails for $30 US and 38 Canadian. But instead of me talking about it, why don't I just show you how it works? Okay, so this is it right here. This is Secure the Blur. Let's talk about the packaging really quick. It's a soft matte, soft touch package with a chrome cap that twists off just like this with a little nozzle, and you can disperse as much as you'd like onto the back of your hand or straight onto your face. Now, the formula is so amazing. I have been using this for so long and I'm so excited I finally get to show you all. It instantly blurs my skin and it's a hydrating primer that minimizes my pores, evens out my skin texture over time, and most of all controls the shine, especially around here, around my nose, between the brows, because that is the first sign of greasy and sweat. And most of all, for my beat face, it grips the makeup like a magnet for all day ultimate wear. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see, I have absolutely nothing on my face. See a little bit of that shine. I think a good shiny spot is like right here. So I'm gonna take that and apply it right here. And you see how it instantly killed that shine? Like I said in the beginning, it's like Facetune or Photoshop, and you just gotta retouch right there. It's so good. I'm literally obsessed. So for me, I like to take it with my finger, put it right in between the brows, just like this. Kills the shine right away. You see the shiny spot right here? Like that. On this side as well, because I have a lot of pores right here that I just want it to smooth, and especially on my nose. And you're starting to see my skin transform. It's very, very subtle. I'm shooting with a Canon 5D Mark IV, and I'm just gonna hit the high points of my face. And then for the rest of it, I'll just take that and move it out to the rest. So it gives that magnet effect for the extra gripping all day wear. I know it's so hard to really see it on camera. If you need to zoom in, zoom in. If you need to pause, screenshot, whatever you gotta do, or buy it and try it, let me know. So with that being said, Secure the Blur is just one of these products that you have to try and see for yourself. I'm obsessed with it because there's glycerin, witch hazel, and there's also niacinamide that works to even and brighten the appearance of your skin tone with continued use. But that's not all I did, y'all. When I tell you running a brand is like a semi-truck, there are a lot of wheels that get you from point A to point B. A lot of heavy lifting. So with that being said, I did some tests and 94% of people said skin looks and feels smoother. 94% of people said makeup feels secure. 94% of people said skin feels hydrated. 90% of people said it instantly controls shine. 90% of people said it evens out complexion. 90% of people said it prevents makeup from creasing. And 90% of people said it makes me feel confident. Now that's on straight A's, period.
More straight A's than I did in high school. I know, that's right.
Now with that being said, be sure to grab the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer on February 5th in Sephora, Sephora.com, and OneSizeBeauty.com. So here you can see, without primer, with primer, and of course, with a full beat face. It's too good. Okay, so since we have been going through so much this year, I kind of wanted to throw in an amazing product that I thought would be really, really perfect, not just for me, but for all of you. They are the Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches that run for $25 US and 33 Canadian. So in the box comes 6 eye patches. They are amazing because these are super large and in charge eye patches. So you're not just getting the under eyes, you're getting the cheeks as well. You guys know me, I have been so self-conscious of my under eye area, but I wanted to make sure maintenance was up in the brand. So these eye patches have a little bit of calamansi juice, a nod to the Philippines, because they help brighten the skin. Calamansi, by the way, is our limon of the Philippines. And these eye patches hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles and fine lines, and of course, texture, hence Secure the Blur. So in addition to the calamansi juice, known to brighten and give the skin a vibrant appearance, there's also caffeine, which we all know and love, that wakes up the eye, and it really depuffs the under eye as well. And most of all, this was really important to me, a strong dosage of hyaluronic acid, known to plump and smooth and soothe the under eye area, because you guys know, if you guys are a beat face wearer like me, concealing, baking the whole nines, we really go through a lot in beating our face, literally. To have these eye patches prepped and also care to give that spa-like appearance was really important to me. So with that being said, I'll wear these patches around the house right before I do my makeup to make sure I soak up all the juices. And that, my friends, is the Secure the Blur collection that launches in Sephora, Sephora.com, and OneSizeBeauty.com on February 5th, US and Canada. So mark your calendars. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Thank you guys for supporting me and my brand. This is honestly a dream come true every time I sit here in red and in pink, which represents love, self-love, and love for all of you, for my brands and everything that we have stood for as a family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one-size-fits-all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.